You did everything right. You studied hard. You got a job. You saved money. So tell me, why are you still struggling? Why does life still feel unfair? Late nights, early mornings, and still nothing changes. You feel stuck. Since childhood, you were given a script. Study hard, get good marks, get a safe job, and everything will be fine. And you believed it. You never questioned it, because everyone around you was doing the same. Then came the job, 9 to 5, but in reality, it was 9 to forever. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, and repeat. Day after day, year after year, you get paid for your time, but time is limited, and so is your income. Bills increase, responsibilities grow, but your freedom slowly disappears. So you try to save more, you cut expenses, you sacrifice things you love. But here's the truth: saving money was never the answer. The system was not designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you working. And one day, it hits you. You were never taught how money actually works. Rich people don't trade time for money. They build systems. They invest. They take risks. While you were saving, they were multiplying. While you were playing safe, they were learning. And now, you feel left behind. But listen carefully, it's not too late. You can still change. Start learning. Start investing in yourself. Start thinking differently. Because the truth is, you didn't fail. You were just following the wrong rules. And now, you have a choice. Stay the same, or change everything. If you want to escape this cycle, start now.